I'm Meagan Kaiser. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Perry Agricultural Laboratory, and I serve in the role of a soil scientist. We currently receive soil samples from 78 countries, all ship soils to our laboratory in Missouri in the United States. Every soil is different. That's the amazing thing, is that when you have a repeatable laboratory analysis and a repeatable result, that we can look at every analysis and make data-driven decisions. And sometimes that's not even just that the soils in New Zealand are different, but within one field or one paddock here in New Zealand, we might see differing balances, and farmers notice. We notice the health of the cow potential, the milk production. These things are all driven initially by the soil, and in turn the plant, and then ultimately the animal.